Hey everyone, Trainboy70 here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Takara Tomy diecast story picture book Thomas. So here it is. It came from Japan. So here's the front, the top, side, the other side, the bottom. It's from 2026. And the back. Let's unbox it. Hang on. There we go. Here they are. They're in the process, so I will get them out. First up is Thomas. Then the trucks. And the brake van. Here it is. Let's hook them together. There they are, all hooked together. And here we have a background. See? Hang on. I had to do it off camera, so I'll be right back. If you put the Railway Series Thomas, the trucks, and the brake van in the tunnel, you can see, just like the box, you can see the Railway Series Thomas is puffy out of the tunnel. It's pretty cool, don't you think? So what do you think about Takara Tomy diecast story picture book Thomas? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Set a comment, press subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next video. So take care.